Most Blender artists are broke. Let's fix that in this video. I will teach you how you can make $100,000. Instead of one way, I will tell you 3 ways. Well, there is a new platform in the market now, and it's called Whop. There is a high chance that you have already heard about it from the internet. It's really in hype because the platform has just crossed $1 billion in GMV. That means people have earned $1 billion using Whop. I decided to research about this platform after hearing that, and I think that Blender artists can make really good money from it. Iman Gadzi, this YouTube entrepreneur guy, has already made a 25-minute video on the same topic, and he has invested a lot of money in this platform. According to him, there are 2 million weekly marketplace visitors who are ready to buy your product. I think it's a golden time for us to get into this early. So, what is Whop, and how can we make money from it? Whop is a social commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, sell, and manage digital products and services. Basically, Whop is Amazon for digital products, but better. Visit whop.com to get started. Then click on Sign Up and use any of the given options to sign up. I will be using my Gmail. Now, it will ask you for verification with a 6-digit code sent in your mail. Enter your name here, click Next and choose a username. Next, you can choose an avatar here. I will choose this panda. Now the platform will ask you to join a Whop here. These are already existing Whops on the platform created by people. I will join this one, but you can choose anyone you like. There you go. We have successfully made an account. Now let's start making money. If you click on Discover tab, you can see there are tons of creators on this platform. These creators pay money for making clips, reels, or YouTube videos. This orange bar represents how much money they have paid. You can join them also, but I think there is a much better way of making money than this. Let's go to the Start Selling tab. You can see their title is that an average creator makes $7,000 per month from Whop. And there is the $1 billion I was talking about. Click on this button to start selling. Social media links here. You can also add URL of your website if you have one. Now, it will ask you to name your Whop, add a punchy headline for attention-grabbing, and choose how people will engage. Then you can price your Whop here, decide if you want to make it paid or free. Click the button, and you have successfully made your Whop. Now you have unlocked a very big potential because you can use it to sell courses, your digital products, and you can even sell posts here. This Whop is now open to 2 million buyers now. You can use these features here to communicate. You can also add more of them from this plus button. If you go to Discover tab again, go to Leadership Board, you will see that there are many creators like you making money. For example, this guy takes $29.99 per week, and he has 10,000 joined people. I mean, he is making big money right here. If we calculate, he is making about $299,900 per week. There are many creators like him. Now let's take a look at more ways of earning. I have already joined this community called Whop University. It is a course on teaching you how to use Whop. You can see there is bounty going on in which you have to do some tasks, and you will get money for that. Then, if you scroll down, you can see that there is option to create YouTube video for them, and they will pay you $50 on every 1,000 views. The platform should be YouTube. You need to follow these instructions, and there are some given assets that you can use. Once you have made the video, click on Submit and give the link to your YouTube video. You also need to submit the original video file to them. Your video should get approved in under an hour, and once approved, you can make money from it. As you can see, this creator right here has made more than $200 just doing that. There are some other affiliate link options also in this platform for you to promote other people and get paid if you do not want to do extra work. This platform is kind of new, and founders have added a lot of money to promote this platform. I think it will be good to enter as soon as possible because it is not that crowded yet. I have also created my own free Whop. You can join if you want to learn about Blender. I will give you daily tasks to complete, and will give you a lot of tips to improve your workflow. Thanks for watching. As you've seen, blending creativity with a platform like Whop can turn into a serious income stream. If you found this helpful, Consider subscribing for more tutorials and strategies. Drop your questions or progress below. I'd love to hear how you're using this. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing.